Hey, Sarah here with the Green Executive, and we are about to switch over our mosquito guard round. So I thought I'd share with you how I'm going to hide the previous round from the timesheet. So that way when the foremen go to clock in, they're not experiencing a longer list of services to scan through and hopefully reducing the potential for error and making their life a little easier and saving them just a split second every time. So what I'm doing is I came into LMN into settings, and I came down this far left column all the way down to services. So when I click on my list of services down here at the bottom, you can designate how many you want to see. So if you're not seeing all of yours, you can flip through the pages or see some more. And I'm going to this mosquito guard round 2. Now in here we have some default settings. Of course, you can always change those settings on an individual job basis. This is going to be the default because we're up here in settings. This is going to be how the services are automatically applied to jobs anytime, default, and then you can always change them if you need to. So this would be what the majority of them would be. For us, we normally bill per visit, and we like to show the date. This is the description of that service. And then if I come down here to the bottom, there's this update all jobs, and I have the option to hide it from timesheets. And that's what I'm going to do because we're finished with this round. The time has passed. We're done with it. And it says, hey, are you sure you want to do that? In true LMN form, they kind of protect us from ourselves. So I'm going to click OK. Yes, I do want to hide them all. And that's it. So now that step 2, along with other ones we've hidden from timesheets, like step 1, have been hidden. And the next one, when the foreman clocks into the job and goes around and does round 3, he won't see 1 and 2 anymore. He'll just see 3 in the following. So that's hidden now. If we do have someone that comes on, say today, and they say, I really, really want round 2. Can you please get me in? We can just go to the job, on the job itself in time, and make sure that's visible to them. Otherwise, it's going to be hidden. Now, say we roll around to next year, we're renewing, or we want to make all of them visible again, and we can just come down here, update, show on timesheets. So no big deal. So that's how you can, in bulk, hide or show different services as you work through your season. I'm Sarah with the Green Executive. Reach out if you need anything.